Welcome to this introductory tutorial for Hierarchy Guardian. In this example, we have an architectural floor plan imported from an AutoCAD DWG file. Let's inspect the hierarchy structure. Here we can see several CAD blocks. These blocks are typically unnecessary in an ArchViz workflow. Some of them may even contain problematic transforms, such as negative scale. Scenes imported from CAD often contain technical elements that are not useful for ArchViz. They can also introduce hidden problems that may affect the scene later. Because child objects inherit transforms from their parents, these issues can propagate through the hierarchy and cause unexpected behavior. There are also other common problems in imported scenes, such as unwanted layers and duplicate object names. This is where Hierarchy Guardian comes in. First, choose the preset that best fits your scenario. Then decide whether you want to process the current selection or the entire scene. For safety, Hierarchy Guardian always operates on complete hierarchy branches. Select any object in the structure and press Select Full Hierarchy. Now let's review a few cleanup options. Converting groups to hierarchy is not necessary for this example. If needed, you can also flatten all splines along the Z-axis. In this case, we will enable Sanitize Object Names to fix duplicate names. We will also enable Move Cleaned Hierarchy to New Layer and Remove Empty Layers. Now let's run the analysis. Hierarchy Guardian analyzes the scene and generates a detailed report before applying any change. The report includes information about the scene structure, the number of objects and hierarchies detected, and an estimation of the cleanup impact. It also shows which objects will be preserved, what structural changes will be applied, and a summary of all cleanup operations. Once the analysis is complete, we can proceed with the cleanup. If the selection or settings change after running the analysis, Hierarchy Guardian will ask you to run the analysis again. This ensures that the cleanup is executed under the same conditions that were analyzed. Now we can execute the cleanup. The script offers to create a backup of the scene before processing. Once the cleanup is complete, we can review the results. The scale issues have been resolved, while all objects preserve their original transforms and integrity. All CAD blocks have been removed, and duplicate names have been fixed. The layer structure has also been cleaned up. The hierarchy is now simpler, clearer, and ready for production work. Hierarchy Guardian is optimized to process scenes with thousands of objects. You can also explore the Advanced Settings rollout for additional control. And the Toolbox rollout includes several utilities designed for targeted cleanup operations on the current selection. This allows quick fixes and localized adjustments without running the full cleanup process. And that's it for this quick introduction to Hierarchy Guardian.